Hello, welcome in the next lesson of Miyagi course. So in this course, we talk about how to use generative AI in marketing. So first of all, specifically generative means that it generates the answers based on that second or that moment. I often hear from IT people and for programmers mainly, they live in a fixed mindset, so they think that okay, AI can only give you back what it's already received. So they think that it's just hype and it cannot exceed their expectations. And honestly, it can if you prime it well. So in this lesson, we'll give a foundation on how to use AI, generative AI in marketing. Okay, so the first thing is you always give it a role, and you are a best-selling copywriter, and you target coaches and seminar leaders. So I see it. Who am I talking to, and who am I targeting? Give three possible avatars. So again, it will find out the answer just now. So the aspiring coach, and it gives me some sort of basic concept of the avatar. So imagine a name, an age, occupation, income level, location, and avatar 2, established coach, Michael 45, and the third one is a seminar leader, Jessica Martinez 39. So these are, as you might see, there are different places and different target audiences, different avatars uh, completely. So if you want to play around or if you want to choose only one, that's also okay. Um, let's focus now on. I just leave it this way. So if you want the broadest answer, you just leave it here, leave it this way. So next question I ask: write a short marketing strategy for my coaching business. So let's say I start a coaching business and I want to attract those who are also coaches or terminal leaders, and I'm interested in what they are and interested in a short strategy. So identify target audience, unique value proposition. It means that something that differentiates you comparing to the other parts of the market, and content marketing, social media strategy, email marketing, and partnership and collaboration. I don't like that this two is in one, but as a concept, so it's good to start with. And definitely, I like that it thinks separately and gives a strategy, not just something specific, but a broader strategy. And I don't like this one, especially if you started later. It's very good. And events and workshops usually they require an already existing audience, so it's not for starters, but it's good idea. So as you might see, it's very fast, but the reason I like it not just because of the speed, but because of the quality, the answers, the responses quality. I really like it, and I like that it's very fast in extra or plus, but it's not the main thing. The main thing is here is the quality. So I wanted to point this out because many people think that it's just fast or it's just hype, but honestly, this is the this is the added bonus. So it's not the main thing. The main thing here is the quality. So think of AI as you on the kind of exponential to the entire human knowledge so far. So it researches everything online, everything that humans ever created publicly online, and then it orders it in terms of probability, and then based on what you ask and also your profile online, it gives you back the answer. So it's fascinating to be honest, but you have to always prime it well. So the next question is list the five most important marketing issues facing my target audience who want to have more clients. Client acquisition and lead generation, yes. And building and communicating unique value proposition. So indeed, this is the main thing that everyone facing is that attracting new clients and also communicating well, what makes them different than the others. Scaling marketing efforts, so it's very hard to play big and effective use of social media. They usually people hang out and waste a lot of time instead of attracting new and new clients. So as you might see, and yes, finally it measure. I think honestly, nothing is it has to be built on um, tracking and metrics, analytics, and also procedures. These are the two main things of marketing and in any business. So you have to track what you do, and you also have to procedure. So later you can outsource, automate, delegate, or even do it faster. Especially in today's world when everyone lives in distraction, and you have to stay focused. And for this, it's better to build a step-by-step procedure. I will talk about it in the next video, but now I just wanted to let you know that these two things are critical. So metrics are tracking and also procedures. I really like these answers, these results. So list the five most search terms. It's very useful in terms of not just SEO but getting into their head. So they usually search for how to attend coaching clients, best marketing strategies for coaches, lead generation for coaches, how to market coaching business, scaling a coaching business. As you might see, it's just an idea, but it also gives you a very good prime to build for future marketing efforts. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.